You always knew you were different. You're just hitting different. You're just so special. You're a special someone. And this is from your childhood. You always knew you were gifted and protected. My nose is itchy. That's the truth, 100%. I'm talking to I wanted to say chosen, but a light worker, a sun child, golden child, rainbow child. You might resonate with indigo child, but you were so special, so gifted. I'm tapping into your energy right now. I'm literally hearing you were protected. It's as if like you could literally die 100 times into this incarnation, but God, the Most High, got you under His heart, protected by the archangels always. Because you're destined for something big. You have a great, great, great purpose in life. Oh, I cannot make this up. This is Ra, this is the God's Son. Enlightened. I am talking to an enlightened one. You had multiples. I'm hearing Kundalini awakening to be who you are today. And for some of you, you are literally going through a Kundalini awakening right now when you realize your own power, when you realize, because you always, okay, now it's clear, I'm tapping into someone that has cultivated introvert, a massive inner world. You've developed some gift, talents, and abilities that you might have inherited from your lineage, and you spend a lot of time isolating alone to master your gifts, your talents, your abilities. You know how powerful you are, and you also know that your traumas, healing your trauma is going to set you free. Your love is going to set you free. Putting love, putting light into this darkness is going to make you free. You're not the type of person that is fighting outside, reacting into this 3D reality, which is the projection of your inner world. You know that when something's wrong, you need to fix the problem, the issue from the inside. And it takes time. The healing journey is, I'm hearing that's the path, that's the way. It's about the travel. It's not about the destination. And that's beautiful because then you remain at peace. I am here on this beautiful planet to help you raise your frequency and to speak your truth. Massive throat, trauma out there. Your voice, the way you speak your truth is going to set you free. The way you speak your boundaries. And I'm here to help you take your power back. This is who I am. I am now producing a massive masterclass where I'm going to help you through past revision and take your power back. I'm going to help you heal from a cellular perspective. Stay tuned because this is going to be the next level for the love frequency in your healing journey. It's very important for you to understand that your throat is the vehicle for your freedom. It is the way you are going to free yourself. This is when you speak your truth. This is when, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. This is when you open your mouth to say stop, to say no more, to say no. And reminder here, no is a full answer. You don't need to justify. You don't need to clarify. No is the most powerful answer. And our parents, school, whatever it is, they never taught us how to say no equal than yes. It's the balance. Yes is as important as no. And this is going to free, because this is how you know your worth, and this is how you're going to level up, right? This is how you're going to shape your identity. By accepting or not accepting 555 on a timer, it's time for this change. And I have change here, change, a lot of change. Oh, I was like about to keep going with this deck, but this one was calling like change over your enemies. This is how you're going to free yourself out of your enemies, by spreading your truth. This is enough. I'm dying. You have no idea. Never underestimate the power of your throat. Speaking your truth, cutting the enemy away. The divine is so loud right now. This is your unique way to peace. Cutting. I cannot make this up. This is so powerful. Cutting divine justice, Archangel Michael. The blue Archangel Michael is the blue light, divine sapphire light. And it's not by random. He is the king and the protector. He's the archangel of the throat. This is to help you cut with your throat, with the power of your voice. Cutting to find peace. I might talk to a man, more specifically, a man that is going through a Kundalini awakening for some reason. It's coming now, you're realizing that opening your mouth is the way it's going to set you free. Say no to the past version of yourself. Not make this up. Someone, a male figure, is going through a Kundalini awakening. This is where you're going to literally, and look at this blue color, okay? This is your peace, opening your throat. You used to stay trapped, and oh my God, you used to bring misfortune, I'm hearing. You used to stay trapped, and this is breaking down now, because the universe, God's source frequency, is literally bringing you to opening your throat. And this is now, there is no way back. You cannot pretend you do not know. And look what is bringing money. Your doorway to money is you opening and breaking the chains to the past version that shut the mouth, didn't say the truth to people, please. Okay, this is what is going to bring you success and recognition. This is the card of recognition. This is how people will see you, the new version of yourself. The healed version of yourself, the one that speaks confidence. And this is what Sun card is going to establish. I'm hearing back the sun within, the light within, and gift. This is gift from the universe, your gold, your inheritance. I cannot make this up. I'm so in tune right now. This is what is going to bring 99 on the screen. My goodness. End of cycles. This is what's going to make your inheritance gift present from the universe. Recognition, money, union, love, success, what the fuck, and loyalty. After so much people that deceived you because you didn't open your mouth at the right timing, you used to people please, and now it's time to move forward. I'm very guided right now. Close your eyes. I'm very guided to chant for you this frequency that is going to help you exactly where you are on your healing journey. Niseki no wakari shumai sonaya seiteki kunaya seiteki tunaya seiterekasi Moeki Kunaya Teteki Kuna Kuaya Senereki Kuaya Tereyane Seki Uegeki Shunaya Kereyane Yaya Sheki Suerekene Yashei Kunaya Rekiri tutuku no tutuku uruku no tutu ua. Until next time. Namaste. Iri yo otso nunu we yasa.